Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This particular video is specially to introduce our brand new website of At a Glance. This is the home page of our website, so I welcome you all to the world of At a Glance, where you can look at the wonders of technology. By clicking at this particular button, you can reach our YouTube channel, and this button will redirect you to the virtual world, where I have showcased everything that till now our channel has published. On the left, you can see three options to get connected with us. You can connect me through Instagram, through GitHub, or through YouTube. Just click on any one of them and connect. So this is the key through which you can unlock the wonders of technology. So that's all about the home page. At the bottom you can see the menu bar. You can click any one of these options to get redirected to it. Let's move on to the second section of our website, which is about the channel. So these three keywords defines our channel. Our channel is educational, insightful, as well as innovative. You can also read the paragraph written below these three keywords, which defines what exactly our channel aims to. You can get the link of this website in the description box. And finally, at the bottom, you can see the button Let's Collaborate. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the Contact Us section, which we will be looking into later on. So that's all about the channel section. Now let's move on to the third section of our channel, which is the playlist section. So you can see that these are the playlists that we have published till now. New playlist will be updated here regularly. You can see we have so far covered many topics in the playlist. If you want to have a look at this playlist, you can straight away click the click to watch button. Clicking at this particular button will redirect you to the YouTube channel playlist section, where you can have a look at multiple videos that are present inside that particular playlist. So that's all about the playlist section. Now we'll move on to the fourth section of our website, which is the memes section. Studying without fun is a boring task. And to make this task interesting, I regularly publish memes. Now these memes are not only funny, but they are also educational. They have a lot of information into it, which will help you to not only get a good mood, but also it will help you to grasp the insights about the topics. To have a look at all these memes, you will have to visit my Instagram channel. You can visit Instagram channel by just clicking at this particular button which says visit Instagram. Follow me there and get connected. So that's all about this particular section. Now we'll move on to the next section of our website, which is about the interesting stuffs that we publish. Apart from playlist and long videos, I also create interesting YouTube shorts. Here I provide tips and tricks about programming, as well as the different concepts that can be explained under 1 minute. In the form of YouTube shorts, I also publish some interesting series of videos based on the trends. For example, you can visit our YouTube channel and have a look at the normal versus psychopath programmers. These YouTube shorts have become very popular stuff on our channel, as it is relatable as well as it has a pinch of sarcasm into it. Apart from this, we also have many other series of videos which are not only interesting, but they are relatable to your daily life. Of course, they will be related to the technical stuffs. Click at this button and watch all those videos. That's all about this particular section. Now we'll move on to the another section of our website, which will contain the information about the upcoming stuffs that will be present on our channel. So here you will be getting the regular updates of the upcoming playlist, as well as the upcoming series of video, as well as you can also find the description about it here. This section will be updated regularly, so I would request you to keep an eye on it. Apart from that, if you want to stay updated, as well as if you want to get regular notifications of what is being present or what will be upcoming on our channel, then click on this button, visit our channel and click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the regular notifications of anything that comes new on our channel. So please subscribe. That's all about this particular section. Now we'll move on to the next section, which is the contact us section. This section is very important because this is going to help you to connect with me and you can see the following options to connect with me. First option is the email option. Here you can just click on the send a message button, and there you can send an email. Next option to connect with me is through YouTube, and the next option to get connected with me is Instagram. Just click on send a message button and you will be redirected to the Instagram page, where you can send me a message for any of your queries or collaborations. Otherwise, you can just fill this section where you have to put your name, your email, as well as the message that you want to send to me, and then you can click on this button so that your message will be sent to me. So as you can see, there are many options to get connected with me for your queries as well as to collaborate with me. You can pick any one of them and get your queries cleared. Lastly, we have the footer section of our website, which summarizes all the options or all the features that our website has. Here also I have provided the buttons for you to get connected with me on YouTube, Instagram and GitHub. You can get the link to this website in the description box. Now let's come back to the home page where we left one feature to explore. So just click on this visit virtual world button and you will be redirected to this particular page. This is like a virtual gallery where I have showcased all the stuffs that our channel has published till now. Obviously, this will be regularly updated as and when any new topic gets published on our channel. Now you can have a tour of it for the next 20 seconds. So, how was it? This virtual world is created with the help of an online tool. So now I hope till now you must have got an idea about what our channel provides and what our channel focuses on. So if you are really interested in our channel, then please visit our channel and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified regularly whenever I post new videos. Get the link of this website in the description box. Thanks for watching.